Hey guys, this is Evan from Walk-In Dermatology, here to show you the simple steps to take for a video visit with our dermatologist once you've scheduled your appointment. The link for our mobile app called Spruce Health is available on many platforms, one of which is our webpage as shown here. If I click on the three bars at the top, it brings me to a menu. Under video visits, I can click any one of those choices. It'll bring me to a page which will include the links. I scroll down here. I have links for the App Store, for Google Play, and for the desktop version. If I click on one of those links, it brings me to a page like so. We'll also send you a text message directly to your phone once we confirm your appointment. That text message looks like so. If I click on that link, it brings me to this page where I connect. Now I have to download the app onto my phone, so I'm in the App Store. I download. This will take a couple seconds. Once the app is downloaded onto my phone, all I have to do is set up an account in my name and I'll be good to go. So I open, I continue. My two choices are to log into an existing account or create a new account. I want to create a new account. It's asking for my mobile phone number, which I'll enter, and they will send me a text message with a verification code. Here comes that verification code. I enter it. Now it's asking me for my information, first name, last name, my date of birth, and my gender. You hit next. Now I need to submit an email address. This will be my username. And I'll pick my own password here. Hit next. Brings me to a page about notifications. What you need to do is allow notifications. The reason why you're allowing push notifications is because this is the way the doctor lets you know that they're initiating the video visit. So I'm going to allow push notifications like so. I allow. This brings me to a secure messaging page. From this page, I can send a message to my doctor. I can also click on the picture icon over here and I can submit pictures from my doctor's review before our visit. Once you're done with that, you can close out of this screen. You do not have to be inside the app. Since you allowed notifications, all you'll do is wait for a notification pop up at the day and time of your appointment. Once you see that pop up, you'll click on the screen and you'll be connected by video with your dermatologist.